wind advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. What? North winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Where? Utah Valley, mainly north of Provo. When? Until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. A few power outages are possible. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Hard freeze watch remains in effect from late Monday night through Tuesday morning. What? Sub-freezing temperatures in the low to mid-20s are possible. Where? Cache Valley, Utah portion, Upper Sevier River Valleys, Sanpete Valley, Wasatch Back and Bear Lake and Bear River Valley. When? From late Monday night through Tuesday morning. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing.